NaMora House reinterprets the frugal and authentic flavor of rural architecture in a balanced relationship between the natural context and essential yet appealing geometries. In Portuguese, NaMora has two meanings. On one hand, it refers to the location of the intervention, in Mora, which is the name of the site where the property is located. On the other, it means flirt. It is around this play on words that architects Filipe Pina and David Bilo designed in the mountainous agricultural region of Gonçalo, an extension of a rural dwelling with which the new construction flirts with a modest mid-20th century farmhouse that has been well preserved over the years thanks to its continuous use. With respect for the site's heritage, the duo decided to separate the old from the new, introducing a pair of contemporary concrete volumes alongside the historic building, which mirror its traditional profile. So the scale of the intervention and the natural identity of the site were taken into consideration in the construction approach and materials: stone, concrete, steel, and wood. The essential and rigorous volumes with gabled roofs evoke the silhouette of the adjacent original body. A large living, dining, and kitchen space, the bedrooms, the suite, and an outdoor patio are accommodated in the new extension. A mezzanine with a black metal balustrade cantilevers over the kitchen, overlooking the patio. Inside, the predominant neutrality is given by the simplicity and purity of the materials and by the illusion of the absence of details. The idea of interiority is translated into openings towards landscapes, frames, and strategically located courtyards. Beneath the exposed concrete ceiling of the open-plan living room, a suspended fireplace defines a seating area. The interiors are characterized by an essential appearance. White plastered walls, austere exposed concrete surfaces, and soft natural wood finishes give the spaces a simple yet refined aura. Large windows open views to the outdoor landscape, where the outdoor relaxation area with a water pool reflecting the sky at its center flirts with the surrounding dense pine forest. On the exterior, the stone and concrete are carved in the same way, reinterpreting the vernacular architecture of this region. The pre-existing building is a granite structure with a double-pitched brick roof dating back to the mid-20th century, with which the two new bodies of the building relate. The historic building houses the traditional functions of the farm: storage, technical area, services, and kitchen. The bathrooms of NaMora House are finished with blue tiles and black stone, and feature windows that look out onto small courtyards cut into the concrete volumes and decorated with plants. The choice of rustic and natural materials gives a direct and functional aura to the architecture, which renounces any rhetorical and decorative surrender to embrace a stripped-back language with a brutalist flavor. The rough cement surfaces of the elevations and roofing, and the local stone of the base interact with the granite masonry of the rural building, creating a vibrant palette of colors and textures.